Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PlayStation 4 controller on your PC for Forza Horizon 5. First, connect your controller. You can use a standard USB cable for a direct, reliable connection. Alternatively, for wireless play, hold the PlayStation button and the share button simultaneously until the light bar on your controller begins to flash rapidly. Then, simply pair the wireless controller in your computer's Bluetooth settings. Once your controller is connected, if you own Forza Horizon 5 on Steam, you can leverage Steam's built-in support. Open Steam, go to Settings, and then select the Controller tab. Here, enable PlayStation configuration support. This allows Steam to recognize and configure your controller. For the best experience, launch Forza Horizon 5 directly from Steam's Big Picture mode, ensuring seamless integration and proper button mapping. For games not purchased on Steam, or for more advanced customization, DS4 Windows is an excellent solution. Download and install this free, open-source application. DS4 Windows works by tricking your computer into thinking your PlayStation 4 controller is an Xbox 360 controller, which most PC games natively support. Remember to check the Hide DS4 controller option in its settings to avoid any conflicting inputs. If you encounter any issues, start with simple troubleshooting. Try restarting your controller, the game, and your entire computer. Sometimes other connected devices or background applications can interfere, so try disconnecting them. Also, ensure you have all required drivers, such as the Microsoft NET framework, installed on your system. These steps often resolve common connectivity or input problems, getting you back to racing in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.